Algorand fundamentally is a low-position coin with the ticker Algo that has a current worth of $0.105796 and a market capitalization of $826,160.03 when, or so the for the most part thought. Digital currencies truly have especially lengthy past, the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in an unpretentious way. These days, it's a resource class that truly is significantly directed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Some huge speculation banks even fundamentally procure Algorand and essentially other digital currencies as a group to, in every practical sense, safeguard their resources under administration, against the jogging expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors incredibly. Presently, now is the ideal time to, in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and in every practical sense, long-haul forecast of the improvements on the algo market that by and large depend on the readings of our extraordinary crypto unpredictability record that generally assists us with measuring the market feeling and, in a real sense, expect where in which the market plans to go in an unobtrusive manner. As a matter of fact, at this point, the cost of Algorand in every way that really matters is $0.105796, while the coin as of now basically ends up at 46th spot in the sort of by and large for the most part positioning in a kind of significant manner. The expressed kind of positioning really is assessed based on the resource's current value that fundamentally is duplicated by its genuinely current market capitalization, a recipe that most certainly is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a quite huge manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients especially get the most pertinent information with respect to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios. It's likewise vital to truly consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading, showing how presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and genuinely long-haul expectation of the improvements on the algo market that truly depend on the readings of our kind of remarkable crypto unpredictability record that essentially assists us with measuring the market feeling and really expect where in which the market means to go in and in every practical sense, significant way. As a matter of fact, on August 4th, the cost of Algorand fundamentally was at $0.106424 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change generally added up to 1.42% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on July 29, Algo by and large was esteemed at $0.110495, which truly intends that from that point forward, the cost especially has for the most part vacillated by 0%, as opposed to prevalent thinking. A month prior, on July 5, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $0.120076. Subsequently, the coin for the most part has made a 11.89% move to arrive at its in every practical sense present standings. The examination of market capitalization conveys especially equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors, which by and large is genuinely huge. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to, in a real sense, decide the general position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which for the most part is very critical. Changes in market capitalization genuinely certain or by and large negative for the most part are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes, in both most certainly short and certainly long-haul points of view, which really shows that these days, it's a resource class that especially is significantly controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate. This very specific certainly metric basically is additionally used to check the predominance of Algorand, corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, which generally is genuinely huge. To, in every practical sense, decide the very current market capitalization of Algo, we explicitly duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will really be somewhat made sense of later, by the sort of present worth of the cryptographic money under survey in an unobtrusive manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand in every practical sense remains at $826,160.03 when, which shapes the reason for fundamentally present kind of positioning, basically was referenced before. which generally is genuinely critical. Recently, on August 4th, Algo in every practical sense had a market capitalization of $830,849,253 in an especially huge manner. Keep going week. On July 29th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to by and large was recorded at $861,826,817, which basically is genuinely critical. A month prior, on July 5th, the market worth of Algorand generally was evaluated to especially be $902,463, most certainly $470 when. Total inventory considers the quantity of coins that really have previously been created but different means, for example through mining, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. These digital currencies can be utilized either for essentially dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets, or with overseers. Amazingly, this very metric likewise calculates the coins that truly have been transitioned away from through the interaction called consuming, which sort of is applied to control the expansion rate truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. At this point, the exceptionally all-out supply of Algorand is laid out at 7,808,975,616 Algo, which in a real sense is very critical. Finally, the coursing supply essentially is utilized to sort of work out the market capitalization and certainly evaluate the coins really current remaining in the positions in a genuinely significant way. It indicates the truly generally speaking measure of Algo that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly certainly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, which is genuinely critical. It's by and large certainly accepted that digital currencies that explicitly have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million generally are the most reasonable for truly long-haul speculation, since they are generally fundamentally prone to especially see the value and esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this crossroads, Algorand has a circling supply of 7,808,975,616 coins. Over the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Algo arrived at the place of $23,597,564, or so the thought. Recently, on August 4th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $26.08 when 398 in a genuinely enormous manner. 7 days prior, on July 29th, how much Algo that truly was traded between market members essentially was assessed at $34,824,540 when, showing how this kind of measurement likewise calculates the coins that truly have been deliberately gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which explicitly is applied to control the expansion rate, which generally is genuinely huge. Presently by and large comes an opportunity to in a real sense make